Meaning of enroll.
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 Enroll. The term enroll refers to the act of signing up or registering for a particular course, program, or activity. By enrolling, an individual gains formal admission to a specified educational institution or takes part in a specific event. The result of enrollment is typically the acquisition of new knowledge and skills, as well as the opportunity to engage with peers and enrich one's personal growth and development. Enrollment is a critical step in pursuing education or personal enrichment, and it often requires fulfilling certain prerequisites or meeting specific criteria to gain acceptance.